In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a permanently suspended X account, step by step, using the official appeal process. If you've just logged in and seen that your account is suspended, restricted, or permanently locked, don't panic just yet. In many cases, the fastest and safest thing you can do is review the notice, submit an appeal, and wait for X to respond. This guide will walk you through exactly what to click, what to write, and what to do if you do not see an appeal button at all. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your suspended X account. If you can still access the account, even partially, this is the best place to start because X may show you a suspension notice right away. Read that notice carefully. It often explains whether the issue is related to spam, platform manipulation, fake behavior, or another policy concern. The wording matters because it tells you what kind of appeal you're submitting and what you should address in your explanation. If you see an appeal button, click it. This is the quickest path to request a review. Once the appeal form opens, take your time and explain why you believe the suspension was made in error. Keep your message clear, respectful, and focused on the facts. Don't make the appeal overly long and don't use angry language. A simple explanation works best. For example, you can mention that you believe your account was flagged incorrectly, that you understand the rules, and that you're asking for a manual review of the suspension decision. After that, submit the appeal and wait for a response from X. This part can take some time, so be patient. Check the email connected to your account regularly, including your spam or promotions folder, because X may send updates there. If your appeal is approved, your account may be restored. If it is denied, you may receive another notice explaining the outcome. Now, if there is no appeal button, don't worry, because there is still another route you can try. Go to the X Help Center. Once you're there, look for the Account Suspension Support form and follow the on-screen prompts. The form is designed for suspended accounts, so it should guide you through the process step by step. If your account is suspended, you'll usually be asked to submit details along with an explanation of your situation. Fill everything out carefully and honestly. Make sure the information matches your account details so X can review it properly. After submitting the suspension appeal through the help form, monitor your email for responses. Again, this is where X will usually contact you with updates, requests for more information, or a final decision. If they ask you to provide anything else, respond as quickly and clearly as possible. A few extra tips can help your appeal process go more smoothly. Be polite in every message. Be specific about why you think the suspension was incorrect. Avoid submitting multiple duplicate appeals back to back unless X's instructions tell you to do so. And if your account was suspended for a policy reason, briefly show that you understand the rules and are willing to follow them going forward. So, to recap, the process is simple. Log in, read the suspension notice, use the appeal button if it appears, explain your case, and submit the appeal. If there is no appeal option, go through the X Help Center and complete the suspension support form instead. Then watch your email and wait for X's response. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I hope you get your X account restored soon.